How do you sign up to join Costco and get a new membership? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Costco.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now, in order to get a new membership, you have to sign up for a Costco account. So go ahead and click on this option of sign in or register given over here. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now scroll down, click on create account. Now you have to fill up this and then create your Costco account. So go ahead and type in your email address. Likewise, generate password for your account and then confirm it. Make sure your password fulfill all of these requirements. After you set up your password, scroll down. Now leave this membership number blank. Scroll down, check in for this option and then click on the option of create account. And just with that, you have registered for your Costco account. After you create your account, now you have to apply for the membership. So click on this option of membership, click on join today. Choose your membership type. You're gonna get two options, personal membership and business membership. Now go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. I'm gonna select personal membership. Under that as well, you're gonna find two types, Costco Executive Member and Costco Gold Star Member. You can just scroll down and go through all the benefit of the membership. After you check out the membership benefit, you can head towards the membership that you want to apply for. I'm gonna go with Costco Gold Star Membership. All you have to do is click on this option of start. Now you have to fill up this form to apply for the membership. So type in your first name, likewise last name, type in your date of birth, and then head towards the street address, likewise apartment number, and then type in the zip code, likewise type in your city and state name. Then type in your email address, confirm your email address. Lastly, type in your phone number and then check in for all these options. After you check in for these options, you're gonna get notifications from the Costco. After you fill up this form, you can just check all these details. After you do that, now click on the option of save and continue. And in the next page, you have to go with the payment details. You'll need to provide your payment information. After you update that, you will be a member of Costco. So this way you can easily sign up for Costco and get a new membership. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.